That's okay. Well, welcome in everyone. I'm the Average Goob. I've streamed professionally now for 2 seconds. Yeah, I can help. Oh, first try. Go the other way. Oh. Oh my god, the dolphins just boogied down to the bottom of the screen. What just happened? Why is the Kraken doing this? I can solve this. I know what I'm doing. I am the best developer.
A few moments later.
Oh, Toolbox, thank you so much. Oh, you guys are amazing. Seto, thank you so much for raiding in with these intelligent beings. I'm Spider-Man. Character templates. It's gonna be good stuff. And then we got, oh, you should do it. Right here. It's a sign. I just pulled a hungry hippo out of my ass. Is that a centaur? No, it's just a horse. Listen, it's a letter opener. You're not gonna get much more than 6 inches. Wow. So to bring that number down, all you have to do is stop starting projects, or hear me out, delete all the ones that you haven't finished. Then who's gonna know? I like backseat coders. Did I finish the language learning game? Oh yeah. Oh, I finished that months ago. Yeah. No, I haven't even started the game for that. I don't know if you can hear that. Yeah. I did 5 damage to him with my feet. Assassin's Creed: The Last Supper. Here you go. Here's your money. Here's your money. Here's your money. Here's your money. There you go. Oh, yep. Yep. You get 2. There's 3 for you. But I'm different now. I like cozier, simpler times.
Luck will only get you so far, you know.
Luck
will only get you so far, you know. Luck will only get you so far.
What happened to him?
I got a shield. How is it gooing? I don't know. How's it gooing with you? Nobody's gonna know when I'm bald. I'm gonna have a hat.
Traitor!
Or at least I don't remember.
Wait. Classic. Like, where do you feel like you are in your body? To zoom in a little bit more. Can I still? Okay, we're fine. I can read this.
Don't squint.
All right. What? This is ridiculous requests. Here. We won't call them chatter ideas. We'll call them requests. Here you go. What were the other things? Nuclear whales. What was the other one? We need to force 2 more people to follow. Why? 2 nerdy nerds are amazing. They're bringing all the cool people. I appreciate everybody. I haven't written a line of code in like 20 minutes. That's how awesome you guys are. Hey, welcome in everybody. I'm the Average Goob, and that was a video that I made. If you could tell, that's started out with no audio, ended with no audio. Yeah. So it's been a minute. Another replay? No, this is live. Yeah, we're live now. We're live. Hello. This is me. This is scrungly old me. Yeah, no, this is live goob. A minute. Jabuan, welcome in, first time chatter. Hello. Vampy? Who is this? What is this? Are you real? No, I'm not real. You're real. Oh my gosh, it's been like years. How you doing? Granger, Ryan Hawkins was actually the first one here, everybody. He was the first one here. I saw him in chat before I was even in chat. As a matter of fact, I pulled up my computer and he was already there. Wow, it's so good. Yeah. Yeah, how you guys doing? It's been a couple months. I took some time off, needed a little break. I don't know if you've seen my videos. I've been doing some video editing. Kind of fun. Kind of fun. Alcedonia. Hold on. Alcedonian? No, Alcedonia Dev. It's Goobin time. Granger, man. How you guys doing? I feel like it's been longer than it's been, especially watching that video because some of those clips were like a year old. And like I've been just editing videos and seeing clips from old content and going through some of the old stuff, and it all just feels like yesterday, but a long time ago yesterday. So weird. There was an issue in prod, for real, for real. There always is. Literally, that video starts with me saying my audio's been muted. I don't know what's wrong with me. Yeah, so it's been a fun couple of months here. Last thing I did was the Backhand Bandit in January with the Two Nerdy Nerds, and then I kind of disappeared for a couple months, played some games. Didn't really make any games, if that's surprising. I think I opened up Godot like once or twice in the past week. But yeah, like I don't really have any plans for today. I just wanted to show off that video and then dip. I'm just kidding. No, but for real. I am starting a new project and I am going to be streaming some development for that project. I'm not going to be doing like the daily or even like 2 or 3 times a week streams or anything like that. It's really going to be maybe once or twice a week and probably on Sundays. Just, it's kind of like the end and the start of a week. It's kind of cool time to stream. Game jam project. No. I'm not working on a game jam. I did see a game jam though from that game studio where it's like a 3-week jam. Might do it. We'll see. Yeah, no, I've been doing good. Had some life happen to me while I've been out. But I'm getting back. I'm getting back to doing stuff. So yeah, it was a little rough. No, not good life stuff, but also like the timing was good, I guess. It could have happened at a worse time, but yeah, no, this is turning another chapter. I feel like it's been a year. I started streaming last year around this time actually. And I enjoyed hanging out with the community. I enjoyed being part of the game dev stuff. A lot happened last year. Made like 3 video games, 4 of them or maybe 5 of them in like a whole year. Um so let's see here. So Backhand Bandit, that was so if we're going January to January, I did Quiet Quitter, Key the Board Warrior, Archimist, and Backhand Bandit. Oh, I guess this was originally November. I did a release in like January or something for it. So within like that time, pumped out some games, and I want to make some more this year. So Yeah, the last game we did, I wasn't streaming when we got the results in for Backhand Bandit, but this is the one that I did with the two nerdy nerds, and we got first place. We got first place, and I think the game design documents here. Yeah, so you can go check out that if you're into the game design document stuff. We did a little gameplay video, and yeah, that was a really fun project. I learned a lot. I got to do a lot of UI work. I think I got better at signals, so it felt pretty good. But I'm definitely gonna be working Godot again. And that project is Vibe Clicker. Yeah, it's a Vibe Clicker. Let's see the one sentence pitch. An idle clicker game where the player builds everything with AI. What can go wrong? So you've seen it before, Cookie Clicker, and yeah, that's my inspiration. Just Cookie Clicker, and then I made an old clicker game way back in the day called Double Chocolate Chip Muffin Clicker. So I've made a clicker game before, and I'm gonna do it again. Probably like this exact same thing, and it's just something to get me back into Godot. Again, I forgot how to code, so I don't know what I'm doing anymore. Foiled by Goob and the Nerds. I don't know how we won that. There were some pretty fun games in there. Godot, nice. Yeah, yeah, Vampy. Like, gosh, what was the last game we worked on? Was it Gravemark? Brawny Brian? I don't think we actually submitted that one. Yeah, we didn't finish that one. Are you gonna vibe code Vibe Clicker? Ironically, no. No, 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 no. I'm actually so that's what we're gonna get into is I actually started the game. And don't worry about Rise of the Intern. That game's gone. You remember Gravemark? Yeah, it was like our Tetris style platformer. Like it was a lot of fun. Yeah, and I think I can like bring my code window so that you guys can also see the code a little bit. I mean, I'll go here. Yeah, there we go. All right. This is it. This is the game. You ready? There it is. We're done. We built the game. We have a console log and everything. Like, what more do we need? Also, like, how do I get this? I feel like it was better to pop up the game like on the left side. I like the embedded for me, but for streaming. Oh, here we go. Make game workspace floating. Why are these two embed the game on the next play and then make it floating? That doesn't make any sense. Okay, cool. Yeah. I want to be able to like share this window. Yeah, that's it. We're done. We made a video game. This actually took me like 10 minutes. You've been trying your hand at Godot too? Oh, it's so much fun. Like, I swear it's a cult. Everybody says it's not. It's a cult. Like, once you start going with Godot, you no, I can't come up with another Godot pun. I got nothing. Ironic, moronic, epic. Thank you. Welcome in. Look at that. I've already got 34 points for clicking this. Yeah, so that's it. I'm gonna be working on Vibe Clicker, basically cookie clicker clone, and just going from there. So I don't really have much of a plan. I'm just gonna go off of a game design document and some cards here. I think today I didn't really make a plan for today, honestly. We're just kind of winging it, but I wanted to work on the game a little bit. So, I do have a title screen. Everybody knows me. I've got a title screen, so we got to start with something. But I didn't. That's it. It's just this. I didn't do anything else. Uh, Where's that boot screen? And I think I wanted to make this like mobile friendly-ish or whatever. So I'm gonna make it so that it works with just your like a touch input. Beautiful A plus game loop. Excellent UI work. This game is gonna be getting awards left and right. I almost said rewards. Anyways, enough about me. How's everybody else doing? What's life been like for the past couple months? I'll just work on some stuff while we vibe. We're gonna vibe click. I almost typed in vibe button. Gosh dang it. That let me put a space in the name? That's scary. Doing mobile will be interesting. Well, I'm not like actually gonna export to mobile that I know of. Like it's just gonna be HTML5. So it's just gonna work. It's gonna work on mobile. Even Quiet Quitter works on mobile. Work tickets, blah, and movies. I'm interested in the blah part. What got you through your days? Also, I don't know if any of the sound alerts or notifications work or anything. My computer completely died. I upgraded my BIOS and I lost everything. So I had to start from scratch. That's also partly what took me so long. And seeing if I wanted to stream again, I was like, I don't know if I want to stream again. I was like, I already lost everything. I backed it up this time, but oh, it sucked. Same but goobless. No, that's so sad. All right, the hydrate did not come through. Um, I don't remember how to make that work. I guess. Let me see. I'm gonna send a test alert. Don't send anything. Okay. Don't worry. That's that's just a test one. Also, thanks for the hydrate. Okay. I think it's fixed. So I've got like regular alerts, I've got sound alerts, and I've got Twitch alerts. I don't know where to put them. Can they happen at the same time? That's the question. Nobody tells you these things. All right. Well, we'll see. We'll see how that works. All right, just wanted to add some styles here. God, I don't want to set up button styles all over again. I don't even have like it's like a black and white game. I don't have any like color palettes or anything. Also, I've been doing a lot of like web dev stuff. I've made like 5 websites in the past couple months. Like I've been busy. Um, but like I wish I could have variables in here. Like I want to use like variables that I can like modify widths and corners and stuff that I don't have to keep copying and pasting. Oh, you get spoiled doing some web dev. Can't you use variables, just attach a script and import all those bits? Not with okay, so I guess I could if I coded it, but I do want it to be like through the UI. Right, right. Yeah, that's what I was saying. It might be more trouble than it's worth. But yeah, like if I coded all the styles, I guess technically. Um, but that's why I just set up like one theme file and then it's done. But it's like setting up the theme file is like the annoying part of it. You can export the variables into the UI, but can you use them in here? Like, that's the problem too. Like, if I set them up globally, I guess I could save these as a style box, but I'm talking about like these specifically. Can you use variables inside of these? Or are you saying, yeah, so that's what I'm saying. Like, it would have to be these specifically. It's cool that you're learning Godot. That is so cool. I think I started in like July last year using Godot. I think I'm loving it though. It's so much better than Game Maker as far as like the UI stuff. I'm not gonna do anything too involved. You can set those things to be a variable in code and then export that variable to use in the UI. So you have a little section. Right. Okay, I see what you're saying. But like how do I say that? It's not like part of this theme though, right? Like I can't use it in the theme. Cuz like I know that I can like, I've got, export new game or whatever. So if I go to title scene, I can set this here. If I do like export corner radius, oops, corner radius. And then I say like 8. So like I can set that here, but then can I use it into the thing or like be able to set these. I think if I did it as like a theme. But yeah, that's the whole reason I use the theme, because once I set up the theme, then I can just drop it in and like all the buttons use it. I'll probably use like a default theme for my whole project. But it's like now if I want to go change like the color, it's not tied to a variable. Like even if I saved it in here as like a swatch or something, it doesn't get saved. Yeah, so far, not that I know of though. Like if I could use variables in here, it doesn't show me that I can use variables, but if I could use variables in place of like certain things, like when I'm coding, I can define like the CSS root level colors and go use the variable throughout my code. That's really nice. Just gonna add that color for now. It'd be nice if they added a data binding system. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Yeah, just something to be like, instead of 8, I would say like UI corner radius in all of these, but it only accepts numbers. That'd be cool. I just want something simple. You know me. Something I can work with for now. Um, this is honestly good enough. UI toolkit has you spoiled. Well, yeah, it's like using actual web dev tools, so it's really nice. All right, and I'm just making some stuff here. Let's do like a number pop up. I need to come in here. Okay. Do interface. Probably want this to actually be a node, huh? Let me do a label. Dang, I didn't save. Okay. So that's definitely not the right font. How do you set... Spend a minute here. Godot global project theme. Really what I want is this. The default font. Okay. Probably just regular. I feel like I'm going to be using bold a lot. Let's just use regular for now. Oh, of course. Hang on. I'll put everything in here. Okay. Is it using the default font now? Or is my whole interface that font? I don't know. Be for the project, right? I think that looks right. We're gonna test this. Yeah. Okay, cool. There we go. So what I'm doing here is I'm just creating a pop-up every time you click, we get a value. So just trying to set this up. Again, it's been so long, like months. This is a totally different engine now. Okay. Also, I was watching a video from Brackeys from like a year ago. I didn't even know it was out. Um, that explained a lot of like coding concepts in like an hour, and I was like, kind of had to watch that. It was good information. Now, do I remember any of it? Sure. I keep saying number. I'm gonna have to change everything. Okay, hear me out. I don't want to be just numbers over here. Okay. Nope. Pop up text. Okay. I don't know what's. I don't want to refactor it. They added something like something with a like GUID or something that you can like rename and refactor stuff, but I'm so early in this, might as well. Okay. Just gonna delete that. Okay. Oh, that actually goes here. And then we're gonna do Some exports. I just realized you guys don't get all the, like, the cool sound effects. How can I get those cool sound effects over to you without, like, ruining things? Can I do, like, an application audio for Godot? There's so many. I think it's this one. Same executable. It says theme Godot, but that doesn't seem right. What is this? Pop-up text.scn. You need to manually do the sound effects yourself. Just do the sound effects. Okay, fine. Click, 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 boom, click, 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 click. Can't think and do the clicking sounds at the same time though. Just type louder? No, I mean like the actual from the boom sounds. What up, Fullbox? I think I found it. You hear this? Did it work? It works. It works. It's alive. Sure. Just put actual C4. Okay. Yeah, that's fair. Awesome. All right, cool. How you doing, Fullbox? You like the manual version? I can barely think when I talk though. I gotta think and then talk. Like right now, I don't even know what I was doing. I don't even think I need export variables for this. Should I do that? No. Is uppercase string? Oh, it's been so long. Speed. Yeah. I think when did you release the full version of your game? Like I just saw it on Steam. It's in my cart right now. But I only played the demo. Okay, so it was like right when I started taking a break. Yeah, I played the demo, which was great. So I want to give the full game a shot. You're already working on the next one? Every time I'm in your channel, I catch like a little bit of it and then I get busy and it's just like your stream gets lost somewhere in the background. But I tried watching. Oh my gosh, I don't remember how to do It's been so long already. I feel like I literally forgot how to code. Oh, your game Scope Creep. Oh, okay. I feel like you came up with that name while you were in my stream. Maybe? Okay, yeah. Yeah, that's what I thought. You accidentally made it during a jam without even thinking about it? That's pretty sick. What's it, what's the premise of it? Oh, it doesn't have, okay. Ghost, you zap them, they give you souls, you buy upgrades with souls, rinse and repeat. Okay. So, like a roguelike? Oh, floats only go there. A Node Busters like? There's not really a name for them? Oh, okay. Okay, I think I've seen that game. It's very UI driven. I think I have seen that. I'm gonna go to the place that I know. Perfect. Hey, Bear Like Lion, what up? Welcome in. I played through some of those the ported Surfs Up maps last night, like right before going to bed. And I did play a lot of those before. I didn't realize that that's what they were. You built custom map support today? Jeez, dude. What can people use to make custom maps? You're giving yourself 3 to 4 months. That's a nice bit of time there, Fullbox. Do you plan on making like multiple games this year? Is that the goal? Did you realize that like making one game over a long period of time is gets to you a little bit? I was already feeling like I was like 2 or 3 months into Rise of the Intern. I was just like, I can't keep doing this. We'll see how that goes. That's fair. Yeah, I haven't really. This will be like I'm gonna try to release this game as like a game, so it's gonna be getting me back into it outside of a jam. Oh, you're writing the documentation. Nice. Dude, that is so cool. So you can use Godot to make the levels? Oh man, I might have to try. I might have to try. Oh, you're finishing a contract right now? Interesting. Like a game dev contract? That's pretty cool. Last I heard was the teaching stuff. And you're porting to Switch. That's gonna be cool. That'll I think that market will be good, especially for a puzzle game. I literally, my brain just blanked on what this is. Okay, I gotta create tween. It's tween property. I guess we can do speed. Use Godot and export to a pack. That is, yeah, that's actually pretty sweet. Yeah, I may have to try to make some levels. With the levels, are you going to provide like prefabs and stuff to use to build it, like the ramps and stuff? You're doing a second wave of marketing once you get controller support? Okay. And localization. Oh, that's pretty cool. I saw a little bit of Bernardo doing localization. Does not seem fun. Okay, all the ones that you made for the game you shipped in the SDK. Nice. Drag and drop ramps. Oh, I'm gonna have fun with that. The game surfing is like surprisingly fun. How do I get the position? I guess global. I guess for now we'll just do like full position. X, just do like 10 for now. It's kind of meh. A lot of stuff to sort. Oh, yeah. I mean, if you started with localization at the beginning, it's probably a little bit easier, but it's like I'm trying to break out of the habit of trying to solve everything before it even starts. So I get it. Does it self-modulate? It's still kind of meh. Here's the thing, you just make a game that doesn't have any words in it and you're good. Like Journey or something? Or Flower? I don't know. I don't know if those games have a lot of text. I actually haven't played them. I don't think we need a direction. We'll just spawn it randomly around the player's mouse. Okay. Ultimate trick. All these words to make a wordless game. Just don't make a game. I mean, yeah, just don't make a game, and you don't have to worry about anything. You get all your time back, no stress. Self-modulate dot A. I don't know if this is gonna work. Wait, you make games? Sometimes. Listen, Granger, I've only abandoned one project in the past year. That's not bad. Okay, 2 projects. Wait, is it 2? Is it 2? 2 projects. I started making that memory game, which I do want to revisit. That's another game I want to revisit, is a memory game. Maybe not language learning, but just do the memory game. I don't know where that pop-up text is happening. Oh, I leveled up. Only 2? That's not bad, right? That's what I'm saying. Oh, what is this? Ooh, how do I self-modulate A? Is it on underscore A? That's a lot of errors. Don't look at those. Don't look at those. What's this? I don't want this. I think it's this. Modulate A? Okay, cool. Yeah, I couldn't remember if it was underscore or A colon. I wish there was like this. I wish you didn't have to do a text version of this. I wish it was just like this. I wish you could just tell it from that. But I get it. It's a function. All right. Test level, pop up. I think it needs to be a packed scene, no? Yeah, this needs to be a packed scene. Oh, no? Oof, it's been a while. Okay. Make yourself a helper or something. Utils.modulate.a returns modulate A. No, I don't need to be that lazy. Maybe. All right. Let's do. I'm gonna create stuff here. I know this isn't like good. I feel like I shouldn't be tweening to animate this. I think I'm gonna just animate this by hand, but we'll see. Pop up tag. Hey, Okapi fan. Welcome in. By hand? Yes, by hand. I'm gonna animate it with keyframes. I think tweening's good, but it's waiting for this animation to finish, and like I think I want to stop the animation early. We'll see. Tween everywhere is the only way. I mean, yeah. I do want to like squish it and like make it all juicy effects. No, it's not a lot of work. Animating stuff by hand doesn't take too long if you're just doing like 3 keyframes, right? Yeah, squish it. Pop it. All right. Pop text is a pop-up dot instantiate pop text dot text. Okay. Pop-up text. That way we get this dot text value. We'll say $20 for now. How's $20 sound? And and then we need to do dot global position dot. We'll just do this. All right. We're just using one of these. Don't mind me just hanging around here, surrounded with amazing people like Goob and Chat. Chat is pretty amazing. All testing some stuff myself. That's really cool. Well, I'm glad we can provide a little bit of hangout on a Monday night. Also, if anybody that's in here missed the intro video, it was just like a recap of like clips from the past year with a little bit of fun editing. I made it this weekend. It's on YouTube now, so feel free to check that out. I don't have like a link for it or anything. Maybe I should, but yeah, there's I actually made a couple videos recently. But in case you missed it, that's the recap. What? A turtle. A turtle. What do you use for video editing? Granger asks. I'll tell you. I don't know what it's called. It's like Filmora Wondershare, I think. Or Wondershare Filmora. Absolutely awesome. It's really fun to mess with. It's like Movie Maker as a kid, but with way more features. So it's a lot of fun. Isn't this game about coding with AI or something? Shouldn't it be like lines of code or characters written or something instead of money? It will be. So there's gonna be phases of this. You're gonna start out by submitting like resumes and stuff. That's why I'm gonna make a dynamic pop-up text. So you're gonna be like drinking cups of coffee and submitting resumes and stuff because you're trying to get a job. You're a college student who just graduated, and then after you submit all your resumes and stuff, you finally decided to just start making your own. So your clicks start generating code. You find AI, and then the AI eventually just starts working on its own. So it's like your AI assistant. So it's just, yeah, based on personal experience. No, it's not personal experience. What game am I working on? It's my new game. So I stopped working on Rise of the Intern. I'm working on a new game called Vibe Clicker. Yeah. It's an idle clicker game where the player builds everything with AI. What can go wrong? Basically, you build AI. So I didn't really go through this, and I do have some deadlines. So I want to try to get like a concept out by May 19th, playable alpha, yada yada, all that fun stuff. So we'll see how that goes. But it's just something to keep me on track. Yeah, I stopped working on Rise of the Intern. Oh no, not ads. Okay, obviously I'm not using Delta. I could just do this. We'll just do this for now. Oh, wait. Oh, this needs to be global position.y minus 10. Got it. Oh, I need to add it. It's not even being added. What is it? Get tree dot add child? No. I don't remember. Where is that? Welcome back. But yeah, I stopped working on Rise of the Intern. The project got too big for me. I keep forgetting that I'm new to Godot, and like this is only my first game outside of Jam. uh so I need to just make games. Oh, I see the text is up there. Whoa, that's a lot of messages. Scope issues? I've never had issues with scope. Never. Okay, how? All right, hear me out. I don't think I put this in the process. I think that literally all this goes here. Still working on that fan game. 4-year mark. That's dedication. See, I couldn't even work on a game for like 3 months without like, all right, I'm getting tired of it, but that's good. I think that's good. Persistence is, what'll get you like a long-term game. But I have to get out of the jam mindset, even though that's all I want to do. Like, I should treat this like a jam and just have like minimum viable. Oh, it was loud. Thank you, Ooga Booga. Welcome in. Thanks for the hydrate. Appreciate that. Cheated the system and made the game so big that I always have motivation for a part of it. See, that's also smart too. You always got like something you can work on. Why isn't it putting it here? Oh, I need to set this after. I always do this. It makes no sense. No, it's up there. Why is it up there? Is it? Hmm. Fix the scope by making the scope even bigger. No, that's not how you fix your scope. You gotta make the scope smaller. You gotta scale it down. You gotta scale it. Why isn't this working? Okay. On click, we instantiate it. We set the text. Maybe I also don't think it's setting this. Make it the bigger. Okay, now where is it? It's somewhere. I think it's under the button. This probably shouldn't be in a canvas layer. Where is it? Three best personality traits for game dev. Ultimately curious and Google. Every Google search is a rabbit hole. Yep, been there. Perfectionist. Every pixel. Yep. And the best one of all, I'm beyond stubborn. See, I'm not as stubborn as I should be while building stuff. Can't you click on the label nodes in the live scene tree and check the position? That's a good point. That's a good point. I'm gonna pause. Technically, I could just debug this. What? Okay, this makes sense. This makes sense why it's doing that. I'm not doing I'm not doing this on this actual button. I'm doing it on the whole level. Listen, listen. There's gonna have to be some redo here. It's okay. Wait, where is it? Alright, we'll find it again. Um, okay, we'll find it. Ooh, now I think it's just underneath it. You know what? I think for now, I'm just gonna keep the window in here. I think that makes the most sense. Okay. So it's there, but it's not? Oh, can I do... No, it should be showing up in the right place. So if I do remote... There. Oh. Is it not setting this? Let me just comment this out just to see if it's... Because it was definitely showing up before. It's in the game tab. Where is it though? Okay, now is this where it needs to be set beforehand? No? Does this need to be set beforehand? Easy. All right, we're done. Who wants to beta test? Strange that it's so far up to the left. What does this look like? I don't even need a camera. It was just I'm actually, you know what? I might do a camera system for this. We'll see. Don't let me. I have clicker games with all achievements on Steam. I will lose my weeks. Well, I know who's going to be testing my game. Alrighty then. Alright. +1 resume, just for the heck of it. What do we need in here? Let's yeah, I'm gonna bring back that canvas. That's not what I want. I want the canvas layer. And then I'm gonna create a new one called Game HUD. Folder. We're gonna do a margin container. Spans the whole width of everything. Oh no, the second alpha test I got in both were clicker games. I mean, listen, if I keep this on track, and again, I'll be working on this outside of stream. I made the mistake of only like working on games on stream, like when I was, especially with like Rise of the Intern, because like I was getting burned out, just working on it every day, stressing about things. But yeah, like if we get a playable alpha by June 2nd, that'd be pretty cool. I'd be okay with that. That's kind of the goal. Hey, Spot Monk, welcome in. Everybody's showing up tonight. Got the whole gang here now. Working on a new game. Got everybody showing up to keep me company. I'm okay with that. How you doing tonight? Let's just do an H box. Hey, MB95, welcome in. I'll be open for testing. I'll send the bill for sleepless hours. Listen, I'm doing this for free. I'll send you the bill, all right? MB95, we actually released that. So we got first place for Backhand Bandit. We just did this as a game jam. And then we all agreed that we didn't want to work on it past the jam. We felt like it was polished enough. And winning the jam kind of sealed that. So yeah, no, it's all done. You can even play it. It's over there on itch on the Two Nerdy Nerds channel. But yeah, no, it's we released it. And I was working on Rise of the Intern, but as you can see on my website, canceled. So it was a little ambitious to work on this game. And I kind of got, I'm gonna be real, like I was into the Survivors game like style for a bit there, but it burned out so quickly and I was just like, I don't really want to work on this. Like I could have turned this into like a mini game game or something, like a party game, but I was like, nah. I'm like, it's already been a direction. Actually put a margin on this, huh? What's happening now? I just woke up from a nap and rolled in here. I'm back. I'm back from the dead, and I'm back to making some games. And probably I'll probably play some games on stream. I've almost worked through all of Assassin's Creed Valhalla. I was gonna stream it, but it's really like it's not as fun as Odyssey, and then Elden Ring I already completed on stream and stuff. So maybe listen, maybe the Spider-Man game. This is games. There's like 3 of them. I loved all the Spider-Man games. Maybe I play those on stream. We'll see. But yeah, I took some time to recharge and wanted to get back into doing some game dev stuff. And I feel like stream helped motivate me for that. So I'm not using you guys. This is I promise. I'm just sharing progress. You can also repick it up in the future if you feel like it. Maybe. I feel like I was trying to solve too many problems at once when I was doing that. So yeah, that was a mistake. Score. Um No worries, I'm also using you. Same. No, no, of course. It's totally for the co-working. You know what? Fine. You want co-working? Time to place some map borders. Invisible walls for the win. Containing players since 1999. Ridiculous code working. All you hear is the sounds of Godot and stuff. That'd be funny. All right. We're gonna connect into some signals. Yeah. Wait a second. What am I doing here? How can I connect to this? Not even invisible borders? Oh, really? The borders don't even have a collision box at all. Oh, so just decoration? Decoration borders? Okay, I think I should probably like globalize some of this stuff. Can I connect into these? Do you use a signal bus usually? Yes. Yes. I could potentially make one. Does it need it doesn't need to extend node, does it? The visible color change for the player indicating which tiles are walkable. Oh, okay. Gives more color to the world. Interesting. Okay, so like paths and stuff. It has a check build in. It looks for cliffs, using it for the borders. Okay. That's nice. You got like tile map collision and stuff. The borders are seen as pits of doom, so the player can't walk there. Yo, what up, Captain Anosa? Gooberton. Is that really you? No. It is me, Gooberton. Oh no, we got a stand? Fine. They don't need to know that I like standing. Oh no, I have to stand. Oh no. Oh, you know what? I just realized I don't have a standing timer. No, I'm not standing for the rest of the stream. I guess I could. How long is it? $15. You trying to kill me? Hang on. 500 by 300. Okay, browser. Standing. Timer. 500 by 300. Shut down, refresh, boom. Dang it. Hold on. Standing. Standing mode. Sure. Little live editing. Boom. I'll count. Oh, wait. Hold on. It's 15 minutes. Hold on. Now I got to restart the timer. Gosh dang it. Okay. There we go. All right. 15 minutes starts now. Welcome in, Captain Onosa. How'd your game jam go? I saw that you released something on itch. Haven't had a chance to check it out, but did you actually finish your game? You got it submitted. Nice, dude. That game was turning out to be freaking amazing. What am I connecting this to? I need to connect the label's text. I need to connect to the score update. How do I do this? Is this right? And then I make, actually, this needs to be underscore here. It's been a minute here. Oh, can't do that. I kept missing your stream, Onosa. Yeah, he was working on something pretty cool. Let me see if I can pull it up real quick. Hey, look who it is. Seto. Welcome in, Raiders. Hey, Seto. How was stream? I saw you were playing the Minecraft story or something. It's nice to see you doing some gaming. Totally don't lurk your streams. Welcome in, everybody. We got an ad starting here soon. I'm just going to snooze it for a second. Oh, vintage story. That's what it is. That's what it is. Hey, Irad Dev. Goob is back. I am back. Thank you. Thank you for the warm welcome back. Vintage story. Oh, you've been enjoying it like crazy? That's so good. Well, I hope things are going well with you, Seto. I know if you have to raid and run, I totally get it. I know the drill. I've only been gone for like 3 months, so forgot how to code, but I think the etiquette's still there. Hello, everybody. I'm the average goob. I was on a hiatus for a little bit, started streaming a year ago, and got burned out. That's the story. So I'm back, a little bit of recharge, and I abandoned my project Rise of the Intern, and I'm working on a new game called Vibe Clicker. It's the story of a college kid, I guess, who tries to find a job, and they end up discovering AI. And it's literally an idle clicker game, like Cookie Clicker. All right, Vampy, thank you so much for hanging out tonight. It's good to see you. We should do a game jam soon with Godot, since we're both using it. I also draw now. I know I didn't like show any of that off, but like I can do art and stuff now too. So you wouldn't be alone. We could swap roles. You could take on some coding. But have a good night. Life's been kind. Oh, life's been kind for the most part. Things have continued in a steady trajectory of not falling apart. That's always good. It's always a bonus. Is when things go well. Things went south for me for a little bit, but I'm here. We're good now. I didn't really reveal the details of it, and I don't know if I should or if I could. But let's just say it sucked. Things sucked for a little bit. No fear in protecting your mind. Yeah, yeah. I agree. I think a little bit of mental break is good. While you were gone, we replaced you for a Goob AI. Prove it. You didn't want to interrupt the raid, but it's called Robot Citadel Rush. Yeah, I was actually going to pull it up. So, Captain Onosa made a game for his jam, for his solo development jam. And honestly, like, I was watching him and I was like, I need to start streaming again. I even said it in his chat. I'm just gonna hit run on this. Oh. Oh, there it is, the music. Okay. Oh, look at that. Everything's in like a little box here. How to play. WASD or arrow keys. The mouse is needed to pick up loot. Click inventory, different parts. This actually came together really nice. This is Kenny NL graphics, yeah. I was gonna say that rat looks familiar. Oh, it's got sound effects in it too. I know you guys probably can't hear it. Okay. Captain Onosa, this is amazing. What do you mean? Some glass armor? Claws? How do I close it? I'll just click inventory again. Dude, this is sick. I'm putting that helmet on. This is why we can't be part of the game dev community. We get distracted. Viking says, and stop moving. I'm putting his helmet on. Oh, there's different stats. We're definitely keeping that on, probably. The wooden armor is definitely better. Can I go dual claws? Let's go, boy. Grabber? Took his pinchers. I almost died. Dude, this is cool. Oh my god. Okay, listen, I was talking about how difficult it is to do grid-based movement, and you did a really good job. Is that a turtle? Oh, he's got 21 health? I can't beat him. Who's this guy? Oh, I died. The sound effects are really good for this too. It's such an old school game, I was worried people wouldn't really like it. It's a really well-made old school game, not gonna lie. I think my favorite part is, like, this little text box thing down here. Like, I love this. This is so cool. I wonder if I can find it. Um, Yo-Yo Games. Let's see if I can find my script. I had something on here. Maker Marketplace. Okay, so I've made some assets for Game Maker before. And I made one, it's like this RPG chat box. It's literally that, dude. Okay, it can't be loaded. But I made one of these. I made like a dynamic one that people could use in their projects and stuff. And you can change like all the settings for it and stuff. So I wanted to make a game just like yours a long time ago. And look, rat attacks. Look at that. There's a rat. There's always gonna be a rat. How long ago? May 6th, 2016. So long ago. Anyways, well done. Well done. How do I pass this data? Go pass data in Signal. Okay, I gotta do a comma. Oh, you know what? I should probably make a globals thing. I might as well set this up. Question, can I get permission to post 2 images? Yes. Let me see if I remember how to do it. You got 60 seconds. What do we call these? What's a global game variable thing? Oh, that looks good. That looks like the starting town in, like, Pokemon. We have this nice music. That one, that's the borders you meant? Oh, okay, like, these big borders here. So they wouldn't actually see them, right? Or are you talking about the grid borders? Or are you talking about the path borders? You have a second one? I think you can do it again. You had 60 seconds. Do I need to permit you another time? I'm gonna try it again. Oh, I wasn't trying to bait you, no. Got destroyed by Nightbot. Oh, I forgot your game's in 3D. I forgot your game's in 3D. Okay, so it's these things. Oh, so okay, so like the overview, it shows it there, but now it's like that. I like that. That's really cool. I'm jealous. I'm gonna get there one day. One day I will make 3D games. I was watching a Bracky's video on how easy it is to make a 3D game. He's like, you just click on the 3D tab and you're done. I was like, yeah, that's all you have to do. Okay, so I think we just need to update this with the current score, but I need to make a global vars. What do we call that? What do you guys call the global things? I'm used to making objects, not like game variables, not project variables. I'm gonna pull up Rise of the Intern. It's probably gonna break everything because it was made in an older engine. Singleton, yes, but like what? What do we call that? I can only think of global variables right now. I'm stuck in web dev mode. I have literally have not opened Godot until like last week. Like I took an actual purge. I shouldn't have done that. Oh, sure. Upgrade the game, I guess. I honestly think you're more experienced though. Yeah, well, I mean, I did a lot of good stuff on the Backhand Bandit. Like I felt like that everything clicked. And then once I get back to that, it'll be fine. I just can't remember what things are called. Oh, literally main. Okay. So we need an event manager and main. Okay, I could do that. You're saying someday I will get there. I really feel like that comparing myself to you, like one day I'll get to your level instead. That's nice. I like that you think that way. Um, However, we can't compare ourselves to each other. We have to compare ourselves to old versions of us because, like you can't compare yourself to the 15, 20 years of me, working on games, going to college for it and everything. Like it's a totally different journey. Whereas like you've been working on that project for 4 years, you've probably acquired a lot of skills that I don't have that like I would compare myself to. So yeah, we definitely can't compare each other. All right. We'll make a main script and we'll make event manager. Uh Event manager is the globals, no? I think a better project to test would be the Backhand Bandit. Yeah, I'm gonna put those in Event Manager instead. Main Event Manager. Let's get rid of global signals. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. Then we can go main. We want to do var I actually wrote these down. If you'd believe it. It's in here. Ah, money, rep, processing power. You're gonna have PP and VP. Just gonna copy these over. Oh, how do you do a multi-line in Godot? Really? So it's just per line. Okay. You went to game dev school, you're jealous? No, don't be. Okapi fan. I made a video on it. It's on my YouTube channel. Don't I mean, if you want to go to school for it, that's fine, but I think just doing the actual experience is so much better. I think it's here. Let me see. There you go. The titles, it's all there. It says it all. Didn't it say using a triple on both sides? Did it? Oh. Is that what it meant? Oh, I see. Thank you. I read that wrong. Those first 8 seconds hit hard, right? That's a long video. All right, we'll just do money. Can't do multiple var reputation. Well, we can do. No, we'll do int. I don't want to do floats. Oh my god, it's lowercase. Also, I missed 2 messages. Oh, I did. Where is it? Oh, I like comparing myself to the entirety of Game Freak, EA, Xbox Studios, Ubisoft instead. That's fair. Yeah, you compare yourself to hundreds of people working on a game. Then you don't have to worry about comparing yourself to one person. You need to get at least good enough to single-handedly beat those people so you can calm down your imposter syndrome. Yeah, that's another thing that I deal with too. And I have to keep reminding myself, just because I'm learning and it feels difficult doesn't mean that I don't know what I'm doing. Like, learning is good. You want to challenge yourself every day. Should I be doing these as capital? Or should I do this as a class? Oh my gosh. Player resources? I don't know how to set up a class. I just saw something on this. I guess I could do a dictionary. Oh, you like just posted this. Yeah, I did that this weekend. Wanted to get going into making YouTube videos. I might pick your brain later. Sure. Sure. I don't know much about it, but I had fun making those. So I did like 2 videos. And I'll probably end the stream with the highlight video as well. I started the stream with it, and then you guys won't have to see it again. So but yeah. It took me like a day to make that video. Not to brag or anything. I had a lot of stuff prepared for it though. As long as I ignored the fact that my fan project can never be released to the public. Oh, that's true. At least I won't feel like I wasted my time. Still won't release it without proper licensing. Yeah, I think if you get it licensed, like you feel better about it. But like I think you said you like releasing it to friends and stuff, and I think like as long as you're not selling it, you'll be fine, right? We're not doing classes. We're just gonna do player resource. And then we'll do money, rep, just call it power. And VP. Perfect. It's not released to friends? Oh, okay. You have a friend testing the project under an agreement, like the game needs to be tested. Right. You're not just like letting them play it, like it's actual testing. Oh, I don't even have to be standing anymore. Captain, I thought you said you were going to tell me when it was time to sit down. You lied to me. How long has that timer been off? I don't even know. All right. Since 1:43? 10 minutes? I was standing for I need some of my time back. What the heck? That's like 10 extra minutes. I'm not I'm not really looking. The timer's not on my screen. Like I literally it's on my OBS window like way over there. So, I didn't even see it. Uh Oh, that got me. That got me. Uh, thank you for the redemption. That was pretty funny. Sounds like you had a great time stretching your leg. Only my one leg. Oh wait, I think it's event manager.score. And the score updated. Jeez. Who's letting me program this? Also, I think I found out that like okay, never mind. I thought that the signals would show up here. I guess that's only if I have like the main script attached or something. Yeah, I don't know how to do that anyways. I'm not natively English. Let me allow my 5 mistakes per sentence. That's fine. Hey, listen, I'm just playing on words here. English is my first language, and I still make mistakes, especially like typing. I mean, you've seen it. You've seen it. Oh no, I broke everything. Oh. See, I don't even have to do that anymore. Okay. And then I need to update it here. Score updated. Dot emit doesn't need a valuable or value. Click count. We're not even doing that anymore. Let's do main dot player resources. Okay, I didn't think so. Money plus equals 1. I had to learn your language because I wanted to socialize with people around the globe. Yeah, that's fair. And you're glad you got to meet people like me, oh, and everyone in chat. See, that's nice. Like, and it's not the same. Like, if you're sitting there having to like put everything into a translator or something like that, like it's just it's a little bit more difficult. Like I've had to do that with Spanish, so I get it. You call your second argument. It's 3 a.m. Oh my gosh. Can't use my stream to stay up late. That's not why I do it. Mm. I feel like I did this correctly. Score updated. Hmm. Time zones, the only moment I wish flat earthers were right. What do you mean? The Earth's not flat? Why is this not even clicking anymore? Oh, let's see. Let's see. Okay, I remember exactly what's going on. I put a HUD over the click, and you can probably click on this HUD. That's my guess. Boom, found it. No, what the heck? Is it do I have to pass instead of ignore? What's going on? want to ignore the mouse here. Okay. What happened? Hey, Ooga Booga. Goober Snoober. What does that even mean? Watching your video, I really want to play this RPG Maker game. I mean, I could release it, I guess. Still runs. Did you know I own RPG Maker for the PS1? I didn't know that. I never did that one. I only did the PC versions. Spent many hours making games using a PS1 controller. Oh man, the D-pad programming, I couldn't do it. Yeah, all my stuff. I used to take a laptop to school. I had like a really crappy laptop, and I would like work on my game on the bus. And I didn't get made fun of, which is surprising. I got made fun of for being fat, not for making games. So backwards. You do one more border and prep for bed. All right, sounds good. You also worked in RPG Maker in the past. Yeah, I played Fatal Destiny on stream. I think on my website, like if you wanted to watch it, if you go to the about page, I have an unlisted video where you can watch me play through all my games. But yeah, this is the one that I think you're watching. I think it's STR. Cool. But now I need to figure out why the HUD is still not letting me pass through. That's what it is. I did it. Vibe clicker is done. Got a game HUD and everything. Okay. Also, I think it's weird that the text is still like in the upper left corner. Supposed to do that in the middle. Oh, I see. I see. I see. No, it's still doing it. Adventure Cube looks fun. I think that's out there too. Be back later. All right. Thanks for hanging out. Thanks for the lurk. Ooh, that's satisfying. That is a satisfying click. It's not even doing everything that I wanted to do. All right, what is this? Score updated but never explicitly used. You have to use these? So is that a project setting or an editor setting? Shh. We don't need, nobody needs to know that I hid those signal warnings. It's like, why are they not fading out? I think I removed that modulate a while ago. Why are they waiting? No, queen properties at the same time. Queen dot parallel. Nice. I feel like I spelled parallel incorrectly. 2 L's and then 1. And then it's a function. That didn't work. Whoa. Oh, I see. I see. Between that and 2. Oh, okay. What if I just did -1 to -5? I feel like it should not be like shooting them that far. So we want to modify the global Y. I'm missing how that works. Is it my distance? I don't understand why this. I'm just gonna do 1. Can I get permission to do 1 more? Yeah, sure. Okay, so it's like putting it to the 1 position, I think, is the issue here. So we want to do global position dot y minus distance. They literally should not be going that far. It's so weird. Okay, so is this what you did right here? Are these like the little borders? Finish the borders on the map? Yes. Yeah, I think these look great. So they're like, they kind of look like shadows of the forest or whatever. That's such a good way to do it instead of doing like invisible walls and stuff. Like, how do you handle that? I mean, are these invisible walls like at the end of the map, or is it like you get to this and you go to like the next map? Oh, little pokeballs in there. Yeah, that's pretty good. That's so fun. I want to turn this into a surf map. Well, yeah, their mountains are caves. Okay. I just figured like it cut off the map there. I didn't know if like you were sending them somewhere. You want to see a surf map? You have a surf like a CS:GO surf map? Like a CS:GO surf map. Like one of these. Like you like slide on the maps and so I don't know, I've been playing this game from Bear Like Lion. He made a game called Surfs Up. And it's my first ever time like playing a surfs like game where it's like this, but it's really cool. I'm afraid to hit video. Yeah, here you go. And I guess technically I'm lying when I say I've never done like a surf type game because in college I made a game called A Moment of Friction, and it's more like Tribes Ascension surfing, if that's even surfing, but it's it's flat. It's not like this dynamic kind of surf base. But yeah, this is pretty sick. I had a lot of fun playing. This game's actually releasing pretty soon. Never added the water to your water map? I think it's pretty important. Oh, I see why it's getting added there. I see. How can I want the anchor position in the middle. I feel like that didn't do anything. You get like okay, I think I like that better. All right, so the mouse position, and then I wanted to move. I think it's not global position. I think it just needs to be position. So we need to move it to the global position. Oh geez, it just overrode that. Minus. Oh, we're just doing the Y. Okay, so then why doesn't this work? The player doesn't get to surf until halfway through the game? Oh, okay. I like surfing at the beginning, though. Ugh. Why isn't this working? Okay, I bet this has it. Oh, that's interesting. Interpolate property. Should I be doing interpolate? Elapsed time and duration. That doesn't make any sense. All right, Ryan. Thanks for hanging out tonight. I appreciate you. It's good to see you again. Hope you have a good night. To ship the first community map took less than 2 hours to make with little documentation. Hey, congrats, man. I was literally just talking about your game. This interpolate property doesn't exist. Yeah, I can give you another one. Holy cow. Wow, this is your whole map? That's pretty impressive. I can see where you didn't add the water. I can see it. That's pretty sick. That is a huge map. Can I also find the map that you just did with the borders? Yeah, it's right here. Wait. No, sorry. Is it this one? Oh, I'm looking at a different direction. So it is this one, huh? Yeah, no, that's sick. The first community map, Sand Spin. Oh, that looks rough on the eyes. Looks like a sandstorm. That's cool. Yeah, there you go, Coffee Fan. This is a surf map. That's a surf map. Are those eyeballs in a mouth? What's all this out here? All right, I'm not 100% sure. I mean, I guess this works for now. I'll have to figure it out though. But it happens at the mouse instead of like on the object, and I think that's important. Just don't know why it's taking so long. I think it's something to do with the distance though. Look at that, it's just putting it at the top now. Okay, my guess is just position.y. My gosh. Oh my gosh. Is it plus? Why is it going down? See, I haven't really messed with tweening too much, so this is also a learning curve here. What if I just do this? Okay, so I feel like changing Why did it change it again? We're counting. I know everything's, it's like, it's happening. I'm gonna have to move a lot of the stuff into their own like containers, but I wanted to get something going. Okay, now just go in the opposite direction. Let's do like 20 to 100. Okay, there we go. Alrighty then, now check this out. We go to the HUD and then we do, was that a space? I think I just do this. It's your player's money. Cool. $9, nice. So we do score label text after. We're just gonna make it look like money. All right, we did it. We got Vibe Clicker. Now imagine that this is a cup of coffee. And you're just sitting here drinking coffee, submitting resumes. You're not gonna make money right away. Probably lose money for each cup of coffee you drink. But yeah, you're just gonna be like submitting resumes. This is it. We're doing it. We're cooking. Oh, awesome, awesome, awesome. Okay. All right. So I think that's gonna be it for me for tonight. It was fun. It was fun coming back and building something. So I don't have a schedule, but I do want to keep doing stuff on stream, but as well as off stream. So obviously I'll keep working on this. Maybe there'll be some times where we do some like art or whatever, you know, all that fun stuff. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead. I've got a video that I want to roll for you guys. I made it. It's a stream clip highlight of everything. And after it rolls out, I'm gonna find somebody to raid. Let me see if we've got people. Yeah, okay. I've got somebody to raid. So afterwards, we're going to raid, but hang out if you want to watch the video, if you haven't seen it yet. And I will probably be back next Sunday. So if I'm not back before then, you know, I think Sundays are going to be a good day for me to kind of hang out and do some game dev. So thank you all for hanging out tonight. I am honestly, like, I can't believe you guys showed up. So I'm not going to get emotional. Have a good night, everyone. Thank you again. I will see you in the next one. That's okay. Well, welcome in, everyone. I'm the Average Goob. I've streamed professionally now for 2 seconds. Yeah, I can help. Oh, first try. Go the other way. Oh. Oh my God, the dolphins just, it just boogied down to the bottom of the screen. What just happened? Why is the Kraken doing this? I can solve this. I know what I'm doing. I am the best developer.
A few moments later.
Oh, Spoolbox, thank you so much. Oh, you guys are amazing. Seto, thank you so much for raiding in with these intelligent beings. I'm Spider-Man. Character templates. It's gonna be good stuff. And then we got, oh, you should do it. Right here. It's a sign. I just pulled a hungry hippo out of my ass. Is that a centaur? No, it's just a horse. Listen, it's a letter opener. You're not going to get much more than 6 inches. Wow. So to bring that number down, all you have to do is stop starting projects, or, hear me out, delete all the ones that you haven't finished. Then who's going to know? I like backseat coders. Did I finish the language learning game? Oh, yeah. Oh, I finished that months ago. Yeah. No, I haven't even started the game for that. I don't know if you can hear that. Yeah. I did 5 damage to him with my feet. Assassin's Creed: The Last Supper. Here you go. Here's your money. Here's your money. Here's your money. Here's your money. There you go. Oh, yep. Yep. You get 2. There's 3 for you. But I'm different now. I like cozier, simpler times.
Ha! Luck will only get you so far, you know. Luck will only get you so far, you know. Ha! Luck will only get you so far.
What happened to him?
I got a shield. How is it gooing? I don't know. How's it gooing with you? Nobody's gonna know when I'm bald. I'm gonna have a hat.
Or at least I don't remember.
Wait. Classic. Like, where do you feel like you are in your body? To zoom in a little bit more. Can I still? Okay, we're fine. I can read this.
Don't squint.
All right. What? This is ridiculous requests. Here. We won't call them chatter ideas. We'll call them requests. Here you go. What were the other things? Nuclear whales. What was the other one? We need to force 2 more people to follow. Why? 2 nerdy nerds are amazing. They're bringing all the cool people. I appreciate everybody. I haven't written a line of code in like 20 minutes. That's how awesome you guys are. Thank you, everyone. Tell Thalanir hello for me. Thank you for hanging out tonight. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.